Imagine driving down the highway with your family, and a massive truck is in the next lane. What if the person behind that wheel can't read a stop sign or a warning ahead? This video looks at how driver training, language, and licensing intersect with public safety on our roads. Heavy trucks can need hundreds of feet to stop, far more room than a passenger car. Traffic signs are designed to warn drivers of hazards ahead. Comprehension matters. Recent reports indicate several thousand drivers have been removed from U.S. routes for licensing or fitness issues. Commercial licensing standards and testing vary by jurisdiction. Language proficiency is part of the discussion in some places. Experts say clear standards and testing help reduce risk on shared roadways. Regulatory differences across states complicate a single national picture. For drivers and families, the key takeaway is whether drivers behind the wheel of large commercial vehicles understand the rules of the road. Reliable training, testing, and oversight are all parts of reducing crashes involving heavy vehicles. This year, authorities in Florida reported a deadly U-turn crash that resulted in multiple fatalities. Investigations noted the driver's limited English proficiency. In West Virginia, investigators linked a fatal jackknife on an icy bridge to factors including communication and situational awareness. In Colorado in 2019, a multi-vehicle crash known as the Colorado Fireball resulted in multiple deaths and large-scale damage. Court records from major cases show language and comprehension issues can affect post-crash procedures, including access to translators. Each incident triggers emergency response, investigations, and policy conversations about how to reduce future risk. Looking at multiple incidents together highlights recurring themes: vehicle size, road conditions, and driver preparation. Improved training, clear signage, and language-appropriate materials are practical ways to reduce misunderstandings on the road. If you want to explore the data, official transport safety agencies publish crash reports and licensing standards. What does this mean for Canada? Our provinces set licensing rules. Language and training standards are part of that framework. Canadians remember the Humboldt Broncos crash in Saskatchewan, a national tragedy that underlined the human consequences of road collisions. Officials emphasize that a mix of vehicle standards, driver training, road engineering, and enforcement all contribute to safer highways. In Canada, language requirements and testing policies differ by province. Many jurisdictions provide tests in English and French. For Canadians, the relevant questions are about regulation, training accessibility, and enforcement, not speculative claims. Road safety is complex, and preventing crashes requires data-driven policy, clear training, and effective enforcement. Find official reports and safety guidance at your provincial transport ministry and national road safety agencies. If you found this informative, subscribe for evidence-based coverage of road safety and transportation topics.